Good morning, everyone. It is officially New Year's Eve of 2017, which thank God we're here. I am so ready to just move on from last year, or this year, I guess, and jump into 2018 with some major goals. So today it is New Year's Eve and the high for today's temperature is 2, I think. And tonight's low is like -11. So I'm not doing jack shit today outside. I am staying inside all day. I'm hoping we will go get coffee and grab some groceries because we're gonna have kind of a date night in tonight for New Year's Eve. And so I really want to take down all of the Christmas stuff. Usually I'm a big fan of leaving it up longer, but there's just something about this year that I just want to get it all cleaned up, all put away, and start tomorrow fresh, organized, and ready to roll. Luke. What do you got? No, that's not for you, baby girl. Hey, get that shit off my couch.
Sit. Stay. Stay.
B-boy, hey, come get. Right here. Okay, bye. Christmas decorations. Well, I still need to carry them all downstairs, but I am kind of in a cleaning mood right now. I don't want to get too carried away because I have some other things I want to get like taken care of today besides that. Eric just ran to get coffee and a few other things for making dinner here tonight for New Year's Eve. I have never really been the type to go out. I have gone out a couple of years. you know, what's better than just staying home and doing what you want to do? I think Eric and I are going to have some tofu, like quinoa burgers, and just kind of have a low-key night, and probably some whiskey will be involved. No, I know definitely whiskey will be involved, but we're just gonna hang at home with the dogs and chill out. So I am definitely looking forward to just staying home tonight, especially with how cold it is. I don't even want to bother with it. We have a couple of fun nights planned in January coming up for my birthday. So it's kind of one of those things where I'm just gonna stay home. It's what I want to do. So I am going to carry all of the Christmas decorations downstairs and put them back away. I hopefully will get showered and get a YouTube video filmed. Some of you put out there that you wanted hair tutorials now that I do hair, and I am really excited because I am going to be bringing a lot more hair to my YouTube channel. So please comment below if you have any suggestions or ideas of what you're looking to learn. I do have a couple mannequin heads. I don't have the best long hair mannequins, but I have some pretty decent medium lengths that I could show you some kind of basic updos or like kind of day-to-day like fun twists and stuff like that that you can do before you head off to work. Definitely looking forward to what I have in store for the new year, not only with YouTube but with my life. This is a good moving forward year for me. I feel like the last 2 years have been kind of a, what would you call it, like a figure out a plan and execute the plan, where I couldn't really focus on me and figuring out who I am as a person. The last couple of years I've been kind of on this journey of quitting my job and going back to school and starting a new career, and in all of that I've been true to myself, but I haven't focused on myself, my mental health, my physical health. I've had a lot of anxiety going into this new career of just wanting to succeed and do my best and not f anything up. So 2018 is just going to be about moving forward, being my best self, taking care of myself, putting that as a priority, and hopefully everything else will kind of blossom from there. I hope that you guys have a great New Year's Day, and I'm probably not going to wrap this up here. If I don't, I apologize in advance if I pick up the camera after a few whiskeys later tonight. So check this out. This thing's really cool. By the way, first off, here is the wonderful mess that is my makeup room, and I just knocked some shit over, I'm sure. My mom got me this really cool brush cleaner thing standy. Hang on. Hey girl, what do you got? Oh, I figured you would be down here destroying something. What the f, Lou? No! What is wrong with you? Gross! I don't even know where I set this that you could have gotten it. I can always tell when she's downstairs chewing on something. I can always tell. Oh, it's so annoying. Anyways, back to what I was showing you. For Christmas, my mother got me these really cool, it's like a makeup brush holder, but it's also something you'd use for like your liners and like your pencils and that type of stuff. But what I like to use this for is like my everyday go-to brushes, and then I kind of keep the rest just in jars there. But I'll keep my everyday brushes here, and then she got me this really cool brush drying rack, I guess is what you would call it. So you just clean them and then let them hang out there. So anyways, back to what this is about really, is I got this cool ass little mini ring light thingy, and it's just this small ring, comes on a clamp. It has a mount that I haven't put on yet for your cell phone, and then it comes down here, and it has this cool little controller that you can decide how bright you want it, and then you can also change the warmth and such. So I wanted to kind of see, ooh, and you can take this brightness down a notch. So here is it off, which I have a window like right behind there, so obviously window light is the best light. gonna be nice though. That is one little, I guess, gift that I got myself, you could say. So I am definitely excited to see if that will improve my, if I didn't just break it, we'll see how it improves my YouTube videos. I'm gonna go downstairs and see what the Banksy is barking about. Hey sir, can I help you? What can I help you with, sir? Can you tell me while you're barking why your dad isn't here? He's not gonna be here for another few minutes cause he's at the grocery store and it takes a long time. And then there's the devil. Hey girl, what are you doing? What are you doing, Lulu? I wonder how this window gets so dirty. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. So it's time to clean it. And for those of you that are still using harsh chemicals, vinegar. Can't see you, boy. Always thinking he's got something for him. Yeah, you are. You're always thinking something's for you. Happy New Year. I don't have anything to say about that. Are you in my spot, boy? Are you in my spot? Are you in my spot? I need your arm to...
What?
I'm about to saddle up.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Nope.
Yes.
No, it's mine.
I'm getting in here. There's my boy. Well, there's my boy. Oh, he's going for the poop chute. Gonna have to wash your pillow now. Oh boy. Happy New Year, boy. Inverted! What are you doing, boy?